When you eat meat, nuts, or dairy products, your body generally receives high concentrations of protein from those foods. Protein is a large molecule made from amino acid subunits arranged in a chain-like fashion. Basically, this means that protein is like a chain, and amino acids are like the links that form that chain. Here's an image for visual reference. Protein is one of the 4 macromolecules found in living organisms. Macromolecules are large molecules that serve a variety of functions within living organisms. The other 3 types of macromolecules are carbohydrates, lipids or fats, and nucleic acids like DNA. And much like these, protein serves various purposes. However, before we discuss those purposes, let's take a closer look at how this protein is produced to begin with. Now that you know what protein looks like, let's turn our attention to where protein is made. Protein is assembled inside cells by an organelle called a ribosome. Ribosomes are found in every major cell type and are the site of protein synthesis. This is an illustration of your basic body cell. Inside, you'll notice small circular structures. Those are ribosomes, where protein is being synthesized. Your cells contain lots of ribosomes. Some are free-floating, like in this image, and others are attached to structures. In either case, their function is the same, to make protein. Here's how it works. Protein is based off instructions contained inside your DNA. However, DNA itself cannot leave the cell nucleus. This might not be such a problem if ribosomes were able to enter the cell nucleus. So how do ribosomes go about reading the instructions inside DNA if they never come into contact with DNA? The answer lies in a molecule called messenger RNA, or mRNA for short. The mRNA is essentially a messenger molecule built using DNA as a template. This means it contains the same information as DNA, information such as how to make a protein. This mRNA takes the coded message of DNA and carries it outside of the nucleus to meet the ribosome. Once the mRNA and ribosome meet, the ribosome can read the coded message and produce a protein from it. It's similar to using a blueprint to build a house. An architect creates the blueprint, or the DNA, and someone, the mRNA, delivers that blueprint to a contractor, the ribosome, who reads the blueprint and builds from it. Protein is used by our bodies in a number of different ways. It's used to break down our food, fend off disease, build muscle, and heal from wounds. You see, protein can fill many roles within the body. It functions as an enzyme, a molecule that assists in chemical reactions, like digestion to break down food or fight disease. Protein can also form your muscles, which is why protein is vital to healing and growing. Even the billions of cells that you're made of contain membranes built with protein. Without protein, human life would not be possible. Your body relies on different molecules to perform various functions related to survival. One such molecule is protein. Protein is a long chain-like molecule made from subunits called amino acids. If protein were a true chain, amino acids would represent the links. Protein is one type of macromolecule found within your body. Macromolecules are large molecules that are used for different functions, such as digestion, energy storage, or holding genetic material. While all macromolecules are useful, protein is the only one produced by ribosomes. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis, and they convert the coded information in messenger RNA, mRNA, into an actual protein molecule. The mRNA molecule carries the message contained in your DNA to the ribosome.